Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Playground, where we help beginners like you learn English in fun and practical ways. And today, I'm taking you through my daily college routine. Not only will you get a glimpse of a typical day in my life, but you'll also pick up some useful English phrases and vocabulary along the way. Ready to improve your English listening and speaking skills? Let's start. In this video we'll cover my morning routine, a day in classes, afternoon activities and study session, evening relaxation, nighttime preparations. By the end of this video, you'll have learned new vocabulary, improved your listening comprehension, and picked up tips to enhance your speaking skills. So let's dive in.
Mornings are crucial for setting the tone of the day. I start my day at 7 a.m. with a quick workout, followed by a healthy breakfast.
Listen carefully to the phrases I use to describe my routine.
I wake up at 7 a.m. and stretch to wake up my body. Then, I brush my teeth and wash my face. For breakfast, I usually have a bowl of oatmeal with fruits. This is a great time to practice. Words related to food and morning activities. Next, it's time for classes. Listen to how I describe my schedule and the activities in each class. My first class is at 9 a.m. It's a lecture on psychology. I always take detailed notes and participate in discussions to improve my understanding. Between classes, I chat with my friends and grab a quick snack. Afternoons are for studying and group work. Pay attention to the phrases and vocabulary related to studying and collaborating. I usually head to the library after lunch. Here, I review my notes and prepare for upcoming exams. Group study sessions are also a great way to learn and practice speaking English. Evenings are for unwinding. This is a good time to learn and relaxation. After a long day, I like to watch a movie or read a book. Sometimes, I play a musical instrument to relax. It's important to balance work and relaxation. Finally, I wind down for the night. Let's look at phrases related to nighttime routines. Before bed, I set my alarm for the next day. Reflect on what I've accomplished and read a little to relax. A good night's sleep is essential for staying focused and productive.
And that's a day in my life as a college student. I hope you found this video helpful for improving your English listening and speaking skills. Remember, practicing English daily, even through simple routines, can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the English Playground for more fun and educational. Share this video with your friends who are also learning English and leave a comment below about your daily routine. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and playing with English. Thanks for watching.